Hello and welcome to the Jufos IT Academy once again. If you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Foster. I am the founder and the CEO of the Jufos IT Academy. Please, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to create a YouTube channel. We are going to learn the best way to create a YouTube channel in order to grow fast on YouTube. So if you are watching this video for the first time, if you are meeting this video for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all. Like and share this video with your friends and families to also benefit from us on this channel. Please don't forget that we have a lot of videos on this channel on how to create a school management system. We have videos on this channel on how to create a school-based assessment system. Now, before we start creating the channel, we want to look at what at all is YouTube. It is a video sharing platform that helps content creators to create and upload their contents for viewers to watch and also to make money from these contents. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how we can create a professional looking YouTube channel without any stress and without any challenge. Now, YouTube is the best place to make money online. YouTube is the trusted social media platform. YouTube is the trusted video sharing platform that can be used to make money online without any challenge and without any stress. So without wasting much time, let's quickly locate the YouTube application. I have the YouTube application on my phone. This is the YouTube application here, but let me show you how you can download the YouTube application using the Play Store. So let me just open the Play Store like that. So when you click on the Play Store with a good internet connection, you should be able to see an interface like this. We click on search at the down right corner here like that. Then we come to the search bar at the top here. Then we type YouTube. After typing the YouTube, then you click on search. Click on search. Good. So because I have the YouTube application already installed on my device, you can only see open appearing on your screens here. So if you already have it existing on your phone, it's either you see update or open here. So let me quickly click on open here to go to the YouTube interface. So this is the interface, or this is the dashboard of the YouTube application, and we can see some videos already appearing here. You see this? You see what is happening there? Good. So that is an example of a content that someone created to make money out of it. Now let's quickly move into how we can be able to create our personal YouTube channel here, how we can be able to create our professional looking YouTube channel here with the help of the Jufos IT Academy. So let's quickly click on this U logo here, the logo there, the U logo there. So we click on the U logo like that. So when you click on the U logo, you see that there is no channel here. There is no channel here. So at the top here, Glory Tech Hub. Glory Tech Hub. So we click on create a channel. Create a channel. So click on it. Then we come to the channel name. It's already appearing as Glory Tech Hub. So let's click on the pencil or the pen icon there to edit the name. Maybe you want to change the name. That is where you do it. So Glory Tech Hub. I want to start each word with a capital letter. Sorry, Glory Tech Hub, like that. So we click on save. Click on save. Good. So let's come to the handle. You can decide to leave the handle like that, or you can decide to edit it. So if you want to edit it, you click on the pencil icon like that. So when you click on the pencil icon with a good internet connection, you should be able to see something like this. So I can decide to clear it. I can decide to clear. Please, have you seen it? So I can decide to start with a capital letter, Glory Tech Hub. Glory Tech Hub. Sorry. Like that. Please, have you seen it? So I can decide to save it. It is available, so I can decide to save it. But I want it to start with what? a capital letter. So Glory Tech Hub, like this. Glory Tech Hub. So when you are done with it, you click on OK, or you click on the check sign. So let's quickly do that. Let's click on save. Let's click on save here. So you click on save to save the handle there. Now at the top here we can see picture. So change your photo or take a new one. Change your photo or take a new one. So in our previous lessons we learned how to design a professional looking logo. How to design a professional looking logo. So let's click on the camera icon there, or the picture icon there. So when we click on it with a good internet connection, it should take us to this interface here. So let's click on gallery. So when you click on gallery, it must bring you here. It must take you to where you can be able to get that particular picture that you are looking for. So let me quickly select the picture that I want to use as my channel logo. Then we continue. Good. So these are the logos that I have designed in the previous lesson. So I want to use one of these, Glory Tech Hub. This one to Glory Tech Hub. So let's select this one, Glory Tech Hub. So I'll just tap on it like that. Then it will take me to an interface like this. So do I need to increase the size? Do I need to zoom it? Please have you seen what I'm doing here? So when you are done like that, then you come to save as profile photo. Save as profile photo. So this is the photo that will appear as your channel icon. Please, so have you seen it at the top here? It is appearing here. So that is how you upload your profile photo or your profile picture onto your newly created YouTube channel. So now that we are done with all the 3 steps, we need to come to the bottom here and click on create channel. So let's click on it, create channel. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that when we upload a new video, you'll be able to get a notification and watch it as well. So our channel is being created successfully. So let's check. Please have you seen it? So now the channel is appearing here, Glory Tech Hub. The handle is Glory Tech Hub. So let's click on view channel. View channel. Good. So please have you seen it? Have you seen it? So when we click on view channel, this is what we will see. This is what we will see here. So let's click on this again and see what is going to happen. Glory Tech Hub. Then let's click on the pencil icon and let's see what is going to happen. So when we click on the pencil icon, it will bring us back to this place here. It will take us back to this place where we need to add a description to our channel. It will bring us here to add a description to our channel. Now this description that we want to do here, it will be done in our masterclass. It will be done in our masterclass. So if you want to learn how to add a description, a correct description that can make your channel grow, a correct description that must make your channel grow massively without any challenge, then join our YouTube masterclass. We have prepared a full YouTube master course for people that are interested in becoming YouTubers. So if you want to do that, you can just WhatsApp me on the numbers appearing on your screens, or you check the description of this video for the link to join that masterclass. Please, have you seen this side too? We need to add a picture there. We need to add a site banner. We need to add a site banner to that side too. So it is this site banner that will also help us to grow our channel speedily without any stress and without any challenge. So this is how we create a YouTube channel without any stress and without any challenge. So this is the channel URL. So if you want to share your channel URL with somebody, you only need to come to this side and click on copy here. So when you click on copy, then the link will be copied successfully. Please have you seen it? Copied successfully. All right, so let's quickly come to this particular arrow there. Then we are back. So please have you seen that the logo is now appearing on the channel? The logo is now appearing on the channel. So the next thing that we need to do is to learn how to create and upload content onto our YouTube channel. So we don't want this video to be long. We would like to end it here and continue the rest in our YouTube masterclass. So see you in the masterclass.